Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a word counter in JavaScript. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring an IDE. I'll be using VS Code editor in this video and some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS to create a beautiful interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. This is the HTML file for the word counter. This is the style sheet and this is the JavaScript file. Okay, I'm running the program and I'll make you understand the HTML file along with it. Okay, so you can see this is the final output. Okay, so this is the there is the h1 tag, you can see. Okay, and beneath that there is the header, the text area. Okay, this is the text area. Then there will be two buttons. Okay, and then there is a div with labels, words, and the uh, initial value is 0. Okay, so you can see the words and the value is 0 and there are two buttons. Now let's move to the JS file. Okay, so the text area has the width, height, and the margins. The h1 tag has the alignment, text align as center. Okay, buttons has some property, and beneath that, okay, there's the div, so it has some properties, the margins and the font size. Okay, you can decorate it in your own way. Now let's move to the JS file. Okay, so these two buttons over here, they have an on click property. Okay, so on clicking that, this counter method and the reset button. Okay, the word count and reset button are specified, and these methods will be called. Okay, so this is the counter and this is the reset function. Now what it does that it extracts the value which the user has entered in this variable str. Okay, then it extracts the words from it. Okay, the total number of words. Okay, by splitting using this split method, and this it will store it in this array of words. Okay, initially the count is 0. Now applying this loop from 0 to the word length. Okay, this array length. So if the words, okay, it will go one by one from 0 to the word length. If the words are not null, okay, if the values are not null, it will count, it will increase the counter by 1. Okay, so why I am doing it this way, suppose the user has only entered some spaces in between. Okay, so it makes sure it will only count the words and not the blank spaces. So this loop is required, and then after getting this value, final value of count, we are showing it in this using this document.getElement by id words. You can see over here in this label I have given an id of words, so its inner HTML will be changed to this value count. Now we'll reset it. So using this property get element by id of document, we'll specify the IDs, the text field, the text area, and the labels will be set to 0 and OK null. Now let's run the program. Okay, this was the there is a dog. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so word count, yeah, you can see the counter has changed to 4, and we can reset it. Suppose we write only a and then press 3 to 4 spaces. Okay, it still shows 1, so it means it's working. I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.